I'm Bob Kennedy. I'm the president and founder of Surface Renew, and we specialize in the maintenance and restoration of natural stone products such as marble, limestone, travertine, and terrazzo.
My name is Ryan Schatz. I'm the vice president and co-owner of Surface Renew, and today we're doing a demo on a white soft granite countertop.
Natural stone requires regular maintenance because it's a soft and porous covering for your countertops, shower, or floor.
After your first service with us, we'll contact you annually to remind you about the maintenance needs you have and our sealing programs.
Regular maintenance on your natural stone surfaces is critical, not only keeping them look good, but for their longevity. Deferred maintenance on your stones can actually ruin the stone to the point that even a full restoration of the surface is not possible.
And it's super important to make sure your stone is sealed every year. Without the proper sealer on it, it can stain, and the stains will get deep enough to where you can't even use a poultice to remove the stain from your surface.
Taking a project on like restoring or maintaining your marble countertops is not something for your everyday do-it-yourselfer. There are many different hardnesses, and it can be somewhat complicated to properly clean and seal marble and granite countertops.
And having the knowledge of using the correct diamonds and the correct powder polish to restore your countertops, you can easily damage them beyond restoration. So it's important to call a professional. At Surface Renew, all of our processes we use, whether it's stone or concrete, we do a wet polishing system, so there's no dust, no problems in your home. We protect everything. It's a little fine slurry that we create, but there's no dust. You don't have to worry about cleanup after we're done. Our guys take care of everything.
Surface Renew has been in business since 2004. We use highly trained professionals and invest in continuing education to make sure that we're the best in the business.
To be a lead technician, you have to have at least 10 to 15 years of experience with natural stone. And just to prove our prowess on the stone, the state of Arkansas chose us to restore the stone in the treasurer's office.